Hey guys, El Patronn here from Brooklyn Mitsubishi. How are you? We at the Automotive Game Changer, okay? And we here with Queen of Cars, which happens to be my BFF on top of it. So, what do you think of the conference so far?
So far, the conference is great, full of a lot of energy, of course.
Yes.
You know,
How was that intro, huh?
Oh, the intro was great. You know, everyone's getting pumped up.
Yes.
You guys have to hear that song. If you didn't hear the song, you got to get on it.
Yes, guys, you got to download the song. It's definitely going to be a game changer for 2019. And, you know, this is what it's about. You know, 6 months ago, we just, me and Pete, kind of like say, hey, let's do this conference. And, you know, now it's reality, right? And it's happening and it's here. And we got a sold out event, like I told you guys it was going to be. And, you know, at the beginning, we didn't know how it was going to start and how it was going to basically put together. And now we made it this far. So, you know, this is going to be first of many. I'm sure. Thank you for attending and coming to help.
Absolutely.
Of course.
Happy to be a part of it.
Yes. So far it's a success, and looking forward to doing more conferences, guys. You need to attend these conferences, okay? Because the people, the speakers have a lot of things to share, a lot of knowledge that are happening in the car business right now. You know, like Sean Bradley was saying about video, how important it is. You know, pictures 1,000 words, videos like millions of words, and that's crazy because most people are into videos right now, like we're doing right now.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, guys, so automotivegamechange.com is the website. El Patronn show as well. You can link up with me. Queen of Cars, of course, she has her own Facebook as well and Instagram, so if you want to reach out to her. All right, so peace out. El Patronn, the Queen is out.